For years, technology enthusiasts have been asking the same question. Can a tablet finally replace a traditional laptop? Every year, major technology companies promise that the future of computing belongs to lightweight mobile devices, yet that future always seems just out of reach. Apple has repeatedly promoted the iPad as a machine capable of handling professional workloads, but users often discover limitations once they push the device beyond everyday tasks. Sometimes the hardware is incredibly powerful, while the software remains restrictive. Other times the design is elegant and portable, but it lacks the flexibility needed for demanding workflows. No matter how impressive the device appears at launch, something always prevents it from becoming the complete laptop replacement people have been waiting for. That situation may finally be about to change. According to multiple supply chain leaks and industry reports, the upcoming iPad Pro is expected to introduce Apple's next-generation M6 processor, and this upgrade could represent one of the biggest transformations in the history of the iPad lineup. This is not shaping up to be another routine annual refresh with a few minor improvements and a small speed increase. Instead, the M6 iPad Pro could fundamentally redefine what people expect from a tablet and blur the line between portable entertainment device and professional workstation. For years, tablets have largely been viewed as companion devices used for browsing the internet, watching movies during travel, reading articles, and checking social media. Even powerful tablets have often been treated as secondary devices rather than primary work machines. The rumored M6 iPad Pro aims to challenge that perception completely by delivering workstation-class performance inside a remarkably thin and lightweight design. Apple appears determined not merely to stay ahead of competitors, but to dramatically raise expectations for mobile computing. The biggest focus of the new M6 chip is expected to be intelligent performance and advanced artificial intelligence processing. Apple has invested heavily in machine learning and on-device AI technologies, and the M6 may be designed specifically to accelerate these workloads while improving efficiency at the same time. Early reports suggest that the processor could deliver approximately 20% higher CPU performance than the previous generation. While a 20% improvement may not sound revolutionary at first glance, it becomes extremely significant when considering how powerful the current Apple Silicon chips already are. Applications could launch almost instantly, multitasking could become effortless, and even demanding productivity software would feel exceptionally responsive. The graphics improvements may be even more impressive. Industry rumors suggest that Apple could equip the new iPad Pro with a powerful 12-core GPU, delivering graphics performance that approaches desktop-class hardware. Such an upgrade would dramatically expand the possibilities for creative professionals and content creators. Video editors could work with multiple streams of high-resolution footage, including 8K content, without suffering performance drops or lag. Graphic designers and digital artists could render complex projects more quickly and preview changes in real time. Even gamers could enjoy console-quality experiences with higher frame rates and improved visual effects, all from a device thin enough to fit easily into a backpack. However, all this power creates one major challenge that continues to dominate discussions within the technology community: heat management. Apple is widely expected to retain the incredibly thin design of the current iPad Pro, which measures only a few millimeters thick. While users appreciate the sleek appearance and lightweight construction, cooling powerful hardware inside such a small chassis is extremely difficult. Traditional laptops rely on fans, heat pipes, and large cooling systems to remove heat generated by high-performance processors. The iPad, by comparison, has almost no room for these components. This raises concerns about thermal throttling, a process in which a processor automatically reduces its speed to prevent overheating. If the M6 chip generates more heat than the device can dissipate, the system may slow itself down during demanding tasks, reducing the benefits of its impressive hardware. Professional users who rely on sustained performance for video editing, 3D rendering, or intensive multitasking are watching this issue very closely. Another exciting rumor involves memory. Previous iPad Pro models often restricted higher amounts of RAM to expensive storage configurations, forcing professional users to purchase costly versions simply to access more memory. Reports suggest Apple may finally abandon this strategy by providing 16 GB of RAM across the entire M6 iPad Pro lineup, including the base model. Such a decision would significantly improve multitasking, productivity, and overall usability, while making the device far more attractive to creators working within a budget. If these leaks prove accurate, and Apple successfully solves the cooling challenge, the M6 iPad Pro could become the most powerful and capable tablet ever created. More importantly, it may finally become the true laptop replacement that users have been waiting for over the past decade.